Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and today is a different kind of day because today is a release day, kind of, not really. Yes, it is. What? I know, right? Okay, so let me explain. A lot of times we have extra products from an old kit or something I took on HSN or something I did for Sizzix back in the day that has never gotten onto our website. Well, it is time for it to get on our website. And we're gonna start off with this die set. And this is called the 4x4 card front drop-in. So this is one that I designed for Sizzix years and years, probably about 8 or 9, 10 years ago, and it's never made it to our website. And Darlene, I know you're jumping up and down right now because she's begged us to bring this one back. And so we finally did. It's really fun because you're able to make a square front card and drop in different borders. So you can drop in this one, 1, 2, 3, 4 different options for borders. And I have samples to show you, and they're really fun. So actually, let me show you this one right now. So here it is. This is what it looks like. See that swirl that's in there? That's one of the options you can drop in as a border, as an option. And there's others, and I'll show you those in just a minute. So then there's another one that I released a long time ago, brand new to us, though, on our website. And it is called our new name is Brackets, Bevels, and Lace. Brackets, Bevels, and Lace. What in the world, right? Well, what does that mean? It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 different border dies. And let me just tell you, you never realized how much you needed these until you start using them. And don't worry, I have samples. Now, if you missed out on these items, now is your chance to get them. Once these items are gone, they are gone forever. So these are limited edition because they've already come out. So this was our rectangle pop out insert die from one of our card kits. So if you are not in our card kit club, now is your chance to grab that. Also, these two dies, we have the stencils. The grid stencil and the plaid stencil for a limited time only are now on our website. So go check those out as well. So let's look at some samples. So I already showed you this one, how it could be a card front, and it's perfect for the square. It's a square card front. And then we have the cute little, instead we have the cute little flowers. Now the cool thing about it is you could put them at the bottom or at the top. So those borders can be at the bottom or at the top. Here's one, look how cute this is. This is also using the 4x4 square card. So the 4x4 square card fits perfect on these, right? Look how cute that is. And so many different options. Now, if you have the A2 rounded corner die set, look at how cute that is. You can use these borders in that one as well. And that would just go right in the middle. So, woo, I know, isn't that cool? Here's another cute one with the little leaves and the little flowers. I love that. And then let's look at our border dies. So look at how fun that is. Whoosh, look at that gorgeous edge. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. Then we're gonna open this up. Oh, and there's another one right there on the inside. Here we go, here's one. Ooh, look at that. Look at that pointed bottom. I love that, isn't that pretty? So pretty. Katie wants to design wants to make a dress that has that point at the bottom. It has a name, I don't know what the name is, but isn't it gorgeous? Here's another one. Ooh, isn't that one pretty? So look, hang on, let me show you those dies again really quick so you can see. So they're opposite. So this one points down and this one points up. So here you go. Okay, these are the same. So these point up, but there's also one that points down. And look, I'm sorry. That was point down, the other one points up. So here we go, here, look at this. This is gonna kind of give you, Yvette did a great job of showing you all of them. So here you can see all of them being used, and look at how fun and pretty that is. Isn't that gorgeous? Love the rainbow look of that one. So club members, I know, you know, not only do you get Happy Mail every month being a club member, but you also get discounts on the website, especially when they're on flash sale. Go check out our website, thestampsoflife.com. If you are watching this and you found us on YouTube, make sure you click that subscribe little button down there and the cute little bell, because that way you will be notified when we come out with new videos and when we go live to show videos as well. So go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.
so much for watching. Now make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.